In today's video, I'll show you how to stop ads in your Yahoo Mail inbox and what your real options are. Start by opening your browser and going to Yahoo Mail. Sign in to your account as usual. If you're using the free version of Yahoo Mail, ads are included by default. To remove them completely, you'll need to switch to Yahoo Mail Plus. Once you're signed in, click your profile photo or initial in the top right corner and choose Account Info. From there, go to Subscription and select Explore Subscription. You'll see Yahoo Mail Plus, which includes an ad-free inbox. Click Try it free if a trial is available, then follow the prompts to add your payment method. After the trial, the subscription renews monthly unless you cancel. Once active, ads will be removed when you're logged into that account on web or mobile. If you don't want to subscribe, you can reduce ads but not fully remove them. In your inbox, hover over an ad and click the small X or open the three-dot menu on the ad. Choose options like Dislike this ad or Stop seeing this ad. This hides that specific ad and helps Yahoo show fewer similar ones, though ads will still appear. Those are your two main options. Upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus for a completely ad-free inbox, or use the ad controls to reduce what you see.